Here is a wonderful 2021 Nissan Armada. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an overachiever with a commanding presence, the Nissan Armada. This full-size three-row SUV is a polite powerhouse, offering an upscale interior, smooth, quiet ride, and brawny towing capacity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, power passenger seat, power liftgate, satellite radio, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels. Get the full-size SUV that's as capable as it is comfortable. This Armada does it all in style. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.